Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to study something that we are all familiar with right from our primary and junior classes, and no written exam can be conducted without it. It forms an important part of every written exam. Whether you are preparing for some competitive examination like UPSC, SSC, Railway, Banking, whatever, or you are pursuing some academic degree, you cannot do without it. Some people love it as their hobby and they become an author or a writer. Today we are going to study how to write an essay in 8 easy steps. Now let's have a look at these 8 easy steps to write a good quality essay. The first step is subject. When you face a question in exam or wherever, you find a group of words in the question on which you are going to write the essay. So what you have to do in the first step is that you have to think over the subject. You have to think over all the possible scopes of the question, and as clearly you think, so clearly will you be able to write the essay. So the first step asks you to think clearly on the subject. Then you move to the second step. As you started thinking about the subject, many ideas were coming to your head. So you will note down those points on a sheet without bothering about their order, how they are coming to your head. You just note down those points on a sheet, and you, for your own ease, you may give number to those points because in future you will be saved from repeating those points again and again. You may use those numbers for those points. And as you have noted down all the points, you will move to the third step. The third step, which is about headings. Here, you will classify those points that you have gathered in the third step into groups, and you will give headings to those groups. So here, in the third step, you give heading to those points by classifying them into groups. Then you move to the fourth point. Fourth point is about outline. As you have noted down points and made their groups and given headings, so you move to the fourth step, outline. You make an outline of all the headings. In outline, what you do is you decide the order of the headings. Which heading will be written first and which heading will follow after that. And so in this way, you decide the order of the headings, you make an outline as to what to be written first, what to be written second, and what to be written last. As you have prepared an outline of the essay, you move to the fifth step. That is about paragraphs. As you have made an outline, you start writing the essay. And you know, sentences make paragraphs and paragraphs make an essay. So here, as you start writing the essay, your focus is on the paragraphs. So you have to focus on the paragraphs, and once you start focusing on the paragraphs, your attention goes to the sentences too. You know, a paragraph is made of sentences, and every paragraph has a topical sentence. What is the topical sentence? Topical sentence is the first sentence of each paragraph. That is very important because that topical sentence in the paragraph contains the main theme of the paragraph. So that topical sentence should be written very carefully, because throughout the remaining sentences in the paragraph, you just explain that topical sentence. So the paragraph is centered on one point that starts from the topical sentence. So in this way, you start writing paragraphs, and paragraphs make sentences. Then you